Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots Mountain Retreat. Let's start with the specifications of the kit. I purchased it at Walmart. Actually, this is a special edition that you can find only at Walmart at this point, online or in a physical store. And this is, as far as I understand, is a budget version of Diamond Dots kits. Why? Well, if we talk about specifications of the kit, you will understand why. First of all, the canvas, although I think it can be considered to be a fabric-based canvas, it is fabric on the back side. It's pretty soft, but on the outside, it is pretty standard, very similar to Diamond Tarklap one. Now, poured glue. It does have poured glue as an adhesive, but what I noticed in these budget versions, like Diamond Dot special editions that you can purchase at Walmart or Leisure Arts, I don't know if it is the poured glue fault or the canvas fault. Whenever you place the drills, you have to be super careful. If you look at it, you will see that some drills are placed inaccurately. Well, yeah, I did place them inaccurately, but usually when I do, I just move them back, right? I just place them in a correct right position and the problem is solved. But not with this very edition. So with poured glue in this kit, it doesn't matter how many times you're going to move the drill back to a correct position. It would move back to its original position, which is in incorrect position to begin with, right? And it would remain this way. So I have suspicion that this is actually not even a poured glue, but most likely the canvas that makes it happen. So just be very careful with this type of kits. I also had the same problem with Tinmi Arts from AliExpress, the same problem with Leisure Arts, and with special edition budget versions of Diamond Dots. So I suspect that is the reason. Budget version, the drills are not as faceted as regular Diamond Dots. I mean, don't take me wrong, they are very good standard drills, just like you find in Make Market kits or in DAC kits, but they are not those faceted, chubby, if it is possible to say so, like kind of like thick, kind of like tall drills that Diamond Dots are famous for. Okay, these are just standard ones. So this kit comes with 31 colors. All of them are resin drills, but you must have already noticed that I did customize this kit with ABS. First of all, I changed white color with ABS, beige color with ABS, kind of like orangey red with ABS, and yellow with ABS. This is very weird. I'm not sure if it is me. Maybe I didn't pay attention, although I doubt it, but it looks like they did not put one color, a bag of drills for this symbol, H, number 15. Be very careful when you purchase this kit. Make sure that all drills are over there in place, right? Because I was missing this bag. At first, I thought maybe I threw it away, accidentally, but when I was rewatching my video unboxing, I count just to see how at least this color looks, so that I could take something similar from my stash. I couldn't find it. I didn't see it. And then when I counted the bags that I show in my video review, I found out that there were 30 bags, not 31. So that's why I have a feeling that originally this bag was not inside the kit. So be very careful when you are recounting, right? When you are unboxing and recounting the drills, make sure that there are 31 bags and color 15 isn't there. If not really a big problem, because fortunately for me it was just a regular yellow color and I replaced it with yellow AB. You can take it from Diamond Dots. Maybe it could be like some shades off, but in this kit it wouldn't matter, So now, it was really very easy to diamond paint. I finished it like in, 3 or 4 days, although it did contain a lot of confetti, to tell you the truth. But due to the size, it's pretty small, it was really very fast to diamond paint it. And I am or in the rapture over the final result. I'm so impressed, and I can really call the designers who work in Diamond Dots a genius. Why? Because this is a super small kit. Look at that. It's 12 by 10 inches. It is super small, but at the same time, look how detailed it turned out. It is just gorgeous. The resolution is super high, and I do understand if the kit like this had only one big object and that's it, right? But no, look at it. There is a chair, there is a deck, there are columns, there is even a pot with the flowers, there are trees at the background, there are mountains, there are branches, there is even another deck that you can see next to this one. There is the sun and the sky. It's just gorgeous, so many details, but at the same time, the size is super small, yet it looks extremely detailed. And at first I wanted to give it away as a gift, but now I'm just looking at it and I want to have it at my home, because now at this point, this is my dream, to purchase a house with a deck where I could have a view that is on this very image. It is gorgeous, taking into consideration the fact that we live not far away from mountains. So this dream could be fulfilled at some point, and I really want to have to see the same very image, but in real life in a few years. And look also, like the leaves on the floor. I'm just so amazed at the detailization of this very kit. Whoever rendered it in Diamond Dots, bravo, just bravo. It's gorgeous. I don't know what unicorn blood you drank when you were rendering it. I'm kidding, of course. But it's just magic. It's just magical. I would never think that a 12 by 10 inches kit would look so detailed. So if you have your doubts whether to purchase the kit or not, it is really very cheap. It's only $10. That's how it looks completed. The sparkle is even better in real life. Unfortunately, I don't have a frame to diamond paint it, or to frame it, right? I don't have a frame to put it behind the glass. But once I do, I will show you how it looks framed. But again, look at the final result. If you have your doubts on whether to purchase it or not, that's how it looks completed. Make up your mind. Even, it's cheap. It's only $10. I still think it's worth it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Okay guys, so actually I found a frame. My mom apparently has a frame of this size. Unfortunately, this is the only color that she has. Most likely this kit would look better in a frame of a different color, of a golden color maybe, of a yellow. But this is the only color I have, and to tell you the truth, I do not want to go to Michaels and spend more money on a frame for this kit. I think it still looks pretty decent, and this frame and the frame itself is not cheap. This is not a compressed wood, this is something else. And this is not acrylic glass, this is a real glass. So it's pretty heavy actually, but for a smaller size it is okay. So that's how it looks behind the glass. Again, if you decide to purchase this kit, consider framing it maybe in a frame of a different color. I think golden or orange or yellow would look pretty nice in it. That's how it looks behind the glass. I hope you like it. I'm really very happy with this diamond painting. It looks gorgeous and super detailed, super detailed. Again, the size is 10 by 12 inches. It's just super small, yet super high resolution. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon.